Yo, bro, have you heard about this new Hantavirus thing? Or however you say it? Yeah, I have heard about that, bro. I ain't gonna cap. If it gets spread into us, bro, and we go on quarantine, you know TikTok finna be booming, so you know I gotta hit my dances, so I gotta get every new choreography right. I gotta become like the Michael Jackson of TikTok, you feel me? Oh, you wanna know you try to become that next Charlie D'Amelio and stuff. You can't even dance for it. You can't even hit the shoe. Yes, I can. And that's the easiest dance you can ever do. Bro, you know I can hit the shoe. Stop playing. Just shoot easy, son. Stop. No, never mind, bro. Hey, cuz, you straight?
I'm straight, baby, bleed.
You need some water?
Yeah, pass me that.
Appreciate it.
I got y'all played out like I ain't said it. You look like something interesting about the water.
No, I don't trust buddy. You look sick for sure. Hold on though. Hey, P gang.
Hold it. Hold it, come on. Hold it, come on. No.
Oh, man. No. Hey, man. If you move one more time, bro, you gonna get blasted. I'm not playing with you. Come on, dog, bro. Wait, hold on. Now I'm realizing. Can you get it by rats, my nigga? Rodents? You got rats in your crib?
No.
Oh, man, no. You ain't my homie no more, twin. I ain't gonna. Just for that, you gotta get sprayed.
Yo, homie shirt?
Ew, bro, what the fuck? These niggas turned to Master Splinter! Yo! You should never spray me, twin. Did I tell you sit down?
Come here, twin.
Come here, twin! Yeah!